everybody, what's up? It is Tuesday, August 11th, yeah. Alert, alert. Market top, market top, market top. Looks like this was the market top that we were waiting for. You had a big correction in gold, and that's what it is. It is a correction. It may continue now for a few days, I don't know, a couple of weeks, but in the grand scheme of things, in the big picture, it is a minor correction. I think we got down today to where the old high was around 1,911. We could even dip below 1,900. You know, I like these kind of bull markets where there's always a lot of skepticism, and you're going to see it. You're going to see people say, oh, the gold rally's finished, it's over. But this is a long-term bull market. I'm not worried. I sent out an update today for my subscribers to buy into this. We had a strong, sharp down day in the NASDAQ. Tech stocks, Apple broke down through support here. And the S&P failed to make a new high. Got very, very close. And then a reversal. Same thing with the Dow. We were up strong and then a reversal. And again, tech stocks were weak, and they had been the leader of this advance. In fact, I sent out an email early this morning saying, hey, look at the NASDAQ. That's the second day of diverging from the S&P and the Dow. It was weak all day, even though the Dow and the S&P were strong. So you have that. What else? Dollar had a little bit of a rally today. That may continue. Same concept there. We have a counter trend rally, flight to safety, whatever you want to call it. People moving back into the dollar. It does not look right now like there's going to be any new COVID stimulus relief bill. I mean, nothing's happening. There's no talks. Talks have collapsed. On the fiscal front, we still have record spending, and the year-over-year increase is at a record, and the rate of growth has accelerated to a new high. So that is a positive. That is a very important positive. However, it does not preclude the possibility of a stock market correction. I mean, the market has gone way up without any kind of a pullback, so this would be totally normal. One of the things that I've been looking at and keeping an eye on is these daily corporation income tax deposits to the Treasury. Now, yesterday I said it's starting to look like for the first time since mid-June that these daily corporation income tax deposits have fallen below last year's level. We got the data in today. Another day, same trend. So this does look to be a developing trend, and it would be, I think, indicative of a slowdown in corporate profits. Now that is impactful for the markets. Once the stock market gets a whiff of that corporate profits maybe going to be have to be guided lower, you're going to see some additional selling coming in. There's no question about that. So these initial numbers are pointing to that. It looks like an early trend of these daily corporation income tax deposits now falling below last year's level for the first time since mid-June. And remember, mid-June was when we had more and more of the economy opening up. I mean, New York City opened up, we went into phase one, and then more. So we had that reversal where you saw the pickup in corporation income tax deposits, which coincided with a pickup in economic activity and corporate profits. Now the reverse is happening. I also saw a pretty big increase for a single day for food stamps. Something to think about right there. That is a barometer of economic stress. I like to think of it like that. And when you look at previous Mondays for some reason seems to be the highest day of the week when it comes to food stamp payouts by the Treasury. This one in particular, yesterday, in other words, August 10th, was a spike. All right, so you got to keep an eye on that. What else? Tomorrow we got the API oil inventory report that was down, another drawdown of about 4.4 million barrels, more than expected. Tomorrow we get the EIA report, but this looks like a top, a correction. I'm not worried about gold and silver. By the way, we also saw the July producer prices up 0.6%. That was way higher than forecast, and it spooked the bond market bulls a little bit. We had a backup in yields on the 10-year. Tomorrow we get the CPI, so we'll see what's going on over there. And Joe Biden picked Kamala Harris as his running mate. Kamala Harris is a corporate Democrat. She's pro-cop. She is a neocon. So keeping with the tradition, the progressives are out, man. I mean, they are out. And one thing I find kind of humorous is that Elizabeth Warren, she got nothing. She got nada. She got zip. She raised the most money for Biden, but if you remember, the thing that stands out to me is she stabbed Bernie Sanders in the back. Early on in the primaries, when Sanders and Biden were kind of neck and neck, and Sanders was he was losing some ground to Biden, and he needed somebody to come out to support him because everybody was coming out and they were backing Joe Biden. They were endorsing Joe Biden, and Warren was silent, and she was silent, and she was silent, and she's very close to Bernie, and then she comes out and she endorses Joe Biden, and that was the knife right in the back. The knife right in the back. And what did she get for her troubles? A big goose egg, nothing from Joe Biden. He picked Kamala Harris. So it's going to be very interesting, folks. And Biden is on record as having said in the past, we got to cut Social Security, we got to cut Medicare. As a Democrat, right? FDR be rolling in his grave. But he said everything on the table. He bragged about that. Go on YouTube, Google it. There are a lot of videos of him saying we got to cut all that stuff. Then we'd be in an economic downturn that would be long lasting. All right, everybody, that's it for today. Don't forget, go to my website, pitbulleconomics.com. Sign up for a 30-day free trial of MMT Trader. See everybody tomorrow. Bye.